this video I will show you how to enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Firstly, when you take off on a selection like this one, you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side, then go settings on the last selection, and right from here you can find out all these selections. Go for account, the first site, then simply go again on the first selection, which is privacy. And right from here, if you scroll right down, you're gonna find out all these selections, all that stuff sections. And right here, guys, it needs to take you the fingerprint lock. But in this case, as you can see, I don't have any sign for fingerprint lock. This is why I don't have the latest version of my WhatsApp, and that's the right point. And I also recommend you that fingerprint lock, it is available just on the new features which are on the latest version of your WhatsApp. This is why I also take you down to get the latest version of WhatsApp, because this is the main point.